Good morning, students. Now I am going to take English. So this is revision for you. Okay, children. So I am doing revision now. So this is Unit 1. Lesson name is Jumbo of Indian Cricket, Anil Kumble. Okay, children. Listen carefully. This is revision. So okay, children. So if you have completed the classwork, don't write once again in the class. Okay, practice in a rough note. Okay, children. First main hard words. First one kabaddi, KABBADI, kabaddi. Second one opposite, OPPOSITE, opposite. Third one house, HALVES, house. Fourth one holding, HOLDING, holding. Fifth one members, MEMBERS, members. Sixth one radar, RAIDER, radar. Seventh derived, DERIVED, derived. Eighth one Punjab, PUNGJAB, Punjab. Ninth one cricket, CRICKET, cricket. Tenth one Bengaluru, BENGALURU, Bengaluru. 11th one qualified, QUALIFIED, qualified. 12th one mechanical, MECHANICAL, mechanical. 13th one ENGINEER, engineer. 14th one wickets, WICKETS, wickets. 15th one record, RECORD, record. So these are the hard words of first main. Now second main, write answers to the following. First one, which club did Anil join? Answer, Anil joined Young Cricketers Club. ANIL, Anil, JOINED, joined. YOUNG, Young. CRICKETRS, cricketers. CLUB, club. Anil joined Young Cricketers Club. Second one, what has Anil Kumble studied? Answer, Anil Kumble was also a mechanical engineer. ANIL, Anil, KUMBLE, Kumble. WAS was, ALSO also, MECHANICAL, mechanical. ENGINEER, engineer. Third one, what is a record set by Anil Kumble? Answer, Anil Kumble set a new record by taking all 10 wickets in single innings. ANIL, Anil, KUMBLE, Kumble. SCT set, NEW, RECORD, record. BY by TAKING, taking. ALL, all 10. WICKETS, wickets. in SINGLE, single. INNINGS, innings. Next, fourth one, how was the Karnataka government honored Kumble? Answer, the government of Karnataka has honored him by naming around about in Bengaluru as the Anil Kumble Circle. TH, the GOVERNMENT, government. OF of KRNATA, Karnataka. HIS has, HONOURED, honored. HIM, him. BY by NAMING, naming. ROUND, round. ABOUT, about. in. BENGALURU, Bengaluru. AS as, TH, the. ANIL, Anil. KUMBLE, Kumble. CIRCLE, circle. Now next, third main new words. First one, first class cricket. Means, in simple words, it means a match played between two states or two countries. INN, SIMPLE, simple. WORDS, words. IT, MEANS, means MATCH, match. PLAYED, played. BETWEEN, between. TWO2, STATE, states. Or TWO2, COUNTRIES, countries. Second one, round about. A place where two or more roads meet around a central point. A place, WHE where, TW O or more, more, ROADS roads, meet, ROUND round, CENTRAL central, POINT point. So these are the new words. Next main, write indoor and outdoor games. So first indoor games. INDOR indoor GAMES games. Indoor games which you will play inside the house. So which game is chess, ludo, carom. CHESS chess, LUDO ludo, CARROM carom. Now next outdoor games. OUTDOOR outdoor GAMES games. Outdoor games means which we will play outside the house. So here cricket, kabaddi, kho. So still more games are there. We have written only three. CRICKET cricket, KABBADI kabaddi, KHO kho. So these are the indoor games and outdoor games. Now next main, fill in the blanks. Kabaddi is derived from a dash and dash word. So first dash Hindi and second dash Punjabi. HINDI Hindi, PUNJABI Punjabi. Word meaning holding the breath, means it holding the breath. Second one, in Western India, the game kabaddi is known as dash. So in the dash you must write who to, HUU, who. Third one, in Eastern India, the game kabaddi is known as ha do. So that is the dash. Ha do, ha do. Fourth one, Anil Kumble was born on October 17 in Bengaluru in the year dash. So in the dash you must write 1970, that is 1970. Fifth one, Anil began playing test matches in the year dash. So in the dash you must write 1990. So that is 1990. Next main, sixth main, write some action words. So there are so many action words, but I written only 14 action words. That is eating, EATING eating, running, RUNNING running, playing, PLAYING playing, reading, READING reading, driving, DRIVING driving, CRYING crying, LAUGHING laughing, PRAYING praying, WRITING writing, PINCHING pinching, BEATING beating, PULLING pulling, STAMPING stamping, PUSHING pushing. So these are the some action words. Next, look at the given picture and describe it and about 5 sentences using action words. So they given some picture here. So in some picture, the children and some parents are doing something. So you must see that picture and write. So first one, they are eating. THEY, they, ARER, EATING, eating. Next, the boy is swimming. TH, the, BY, boy, IS is SWIMMING, swimming. Next, a man is sitting on a bench. MAN, man, IS is SITTING, sitting. ON, on, ABENCH, bench. Next, children are playing. CHILDREN, children. ARERPLAYING, playing. Next, children are doing exercise. CHILDREN, children. ARERDOING, doing. EXERCISE, exercise. Okay, children. So these are the revisions, and you must paste the pictures of indoor and outdoor games in your classwork. So those who have not pasted, you must paste the pictures of indoor and outdoor games, and afterwards in the next page you must paste cricket players, pictures of cricket players. Those who have already pasted, don't paste once again. Those who have not pasted, you must paste the pictures of indoor games and outdoor games and pictures of cricket players. Okay, children? So these are the revisions of the lesson. Jambu, the cricket player, Anil Kumble. Okay, children? Any doubt, children? So I think you could have understood this lesson revision. So once again I am saying for you that if you have already completed the classwork, please practice in the rough note 3 or 4 times. If you have not completed the classwork, you see this video and complete your classwork. Okay, children? Thank you.